Question, why Jamaican people afraid to give the police information? Like if them know of a particular crime and they know how to do it, then still not give no information to the police. Why?
Because then we get killed.
Because police will come back and tell the man where you call in and say, and them tell him.
We say, good only go make a report and I'm friend a report one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They don't want to informer.
I know if I give information to police, informer business. No people don't really like police.
Maybe they don't trust them.
Believe there are too much corruption in the police force?
Yeah.
Enough of them corrupt. And the younger one now, them come pick it up. But when you give them information, them children go tell them, say, you will tell them.
Yeah man, that's what he said. Eh?
No.
My family go in a jeopardy now, so I'm afraid to give out information because I don't want to die.
One need to go on so the citizens and the police can have better relationship, so more information can be brought forward to the police towards solving more crimes.
Not rushing people too tough. Talk to people. Share views with people. Then people, they will start to gain more trust from the people. Don't allow the people to afraid of them.
A lot of people would answer the police force been doing that for years now. They try to develop better relationship with citizens, but for some reason the citizens just don't want it.
We don't really want to show out no information for them for them to say something and let go we name a road.
Them no want to know, say when they give information, them go hear say, and me personally give information and the rest are massive, they go come against me.
The same police has set up my life.
As you already know, the skit where I say at the beginning of the video, it is only an app so I can get my point across to a wider audience. Now, why Jamaicans are afraid to give information to the police? Most Jamaicans would say that they don't trust the police force, and if they give information on a particular crime, the police would bring the information back to the criminal, and then the person who gave the information would end up dead. So because of that fear factor, most Jamaicans said that they do not trust the police. It is not so. I believe that the police force has been doing a good job to develop social awareness in regards to police and civilian relationship. So the stigma that remains that people are afraid to give information, what are we doing to make sure that we make a better Jamaica? There are ways, there are agencies in the police force, like Crime Stop for example, that you can go and pass on information on a particular crime so that crime can be resolved. If we need a better Jamaica, we need to do what is necessary to make Jamaica that better place for our children, for our grandchildren. I'm doing my part in making Jamaica better. Do not say that what you saw at the beginning of the video is a crazy act and what I'm doing is crazy and I'm trying to make Jamaica look bad to the rest of the world. No, what I'm doing is to create an awareness. So us as Jamaicans will do what is right to make sure that we develop a better society, a better Jamaica.